In this video, we will learn how to find out the equilibrium level of income and consumption at the equilibrium level of income. The question is, in a two-sector model, following values are given. Consumption is equal to 100 plus 0.7y. Y is the income, C denotes the consumption. Investment is equal to 50, which is autonomous here. We have to calculate the equilibrium level of income and consumption at the equilibrium level of income and increase in the income if investment changes by 20 units. Okay, so we know our income identity is equal to, in a closed two sector model, that is y will be equal to, that is the total income will be equal to consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure. So C is being given us as 100 plus 0.7 y, so in place of C we write the consumption function, and investment is autonomous, which is 50, we write it here. Now we have 0.7y. When we transpose it to LHS, it will get subtracted with this y. So y minus 0.7y is equal to 150, because 100 plus 50 sums up to 150. So subtracting 0.7y from y, we will get 0.3y, which should be equal to 150. Solving for y, we will get the equilibrium level of income equal to 500. Next, we have to find out the consumption at equilibrium level of income. So given the consumption function is 100 plus 0.7y, we plug the equilibrium level of income in this consumption function, that is C will be equal to 100 plus 0.7. The equilibrium level of income is 500. So here we write 500. So C will be equal to 100 plus 0.7 of 500 is 350. So equilibrium level of consumption will be equal to 450. Next, we are being told to find out how much will income change if the investment changes by 20 units. For this, we use the investment multiplier, formula. So change in investment is 20 and change in income we need to find out. So we apply the investment multiplier formula, which says us that the change in income due to change in investment is equal to 1 upon 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity to consume is this 0.7. So we have 1 upon 1 minus 0.7, that is the change in income due to change in investment, which is being given us as 20, will be equal to 1 divided by 0.3. Okay, subtracting 0.7 from 1, we get 0.3. So 1 divided by 0.3 comes out to be 3.33. This is our investment multiplier, which implies change in income divided by 20, which is the change in investment, will be equal to 3.33. That gives us the change in income will be equal to, transposing this 20, it will get multiplied. So change in income will be equal to 3.33 into 20, which comes out to be 66.66 here. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.